Okay, hi guys.
Hello.
How are you guys doing today?
Great.
Good.
You guys bored right now?
No.
No? No? Alright. Have you guys wondered how it would be if every school had a smaller classroom? 100% of you guys said that smaller classrooms are better than bigger ones. According to the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, just 46% of Americans completed college once they start. That is the worst among the 18 countries it tracked. I think the reason that there are many I think there's a reason that there are many reasons that it's 46% right now. I think that large classrooms are one of those reasons. The reason that I chose this topic is because I find it most interesting. When I found out about these numbers, I was shocked that the numbers of the dropout was this high. Having this kind of classroom, what kind of classroom we have is important to us. The environment that we study in can affect us because we are students. Having smaller classrooms is beneficial for both students and the teachers. The freshmen that come into college from high school have a hard time fitting into a huge lecture hall. Like, they don't know what to do about it. Most high schools have 25 students in each classroom, like max probably. When I was in high school, my classroom had around 20, it was lower than that, so I just made a maximum for me. In college, there are more than 40 students in one class lecture hall. In an article I read about this class sizes, I learned that there are many problems with oversized classes, including lack of discipline in class, disturbances to both students and teachers, and reduction in teachers. And yeah, this is like the chart of how the graduation rate based on years in smaller classes. So it's basically kind of increasing, Alright. So the benefits of a smaller class are there are more interactions with the teacher. You can have one-on-one. So you can have you can understand the topic, what she's teaching. The students can behave more, so they can pay attention to the teacher when she's teaching. You can have more respect for the teacher. Sometimes I don't like my teacher because I don't understand the topic and they teach the weird awkward ways. You just gotta understand them. And students won't be shy to raise their hands in small classrooms. This is a small classroom right now, so we just have fun jokes and all that. Which is fun. And students will participate in more activities. Okay, this is the difference. This is on the left side. There's a smaller classroom. How it looks like they're having fun and all that stuff. And then on the right side is a huge classroom. I've never seen this much big classroom in my life. And they're not even paying attention. You can barely see the teacher or the smart board. It's totally hard. Now knowing that bigger classrooms have one of the big problems, there are many causes for college dropouts. One major cause of dropouts is when you don't get the chance to know your teacher or meet them. Also, you won't be used to having a larger classroom. There was a study on this kind of class size had any effect on students. And here is what they found. It states that this study also demonstrates that the effect of class size on students' final grades diminishes as the class size increases increases. This is from an article by Chapman of the Milner Library site. I just found it on Google. We have learned that the problem of the dropout rate. The solution is decreasing the dropout rate by lowering the smaller classes. For example, you can make the class size like the one that we are right now. Colleges have branches off big lectures too. For instance, having a biology class and then having a biology lab, like there's two different classes. And also, research also suggests that smaller class sizes can help students develop greater ability to adapt intellectually and education challenges. This is from Bernard of Kuhn in 2006. From D.N. West from 2014, I think, yeah. And Flemington and Taunton and Raptis from 2002. I don't know how to pronounce the names, I'm sorry. Alright, this is my conclusion. Colleges should have a smaller classroom for the beneficial of education. The dropout rate will decrease because of it. The freshmen who are coming from smaller classrooms from high schools and go into huge lecture halls can get lost easily. The students will not know their professors. Having their classrooms can get the students more involved and not be shy to ask questions and seek out help when they're confused. And that's it.
Thank you.